In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Salesforce to Salesforce in Salesforce Setup. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your Salesforce environment. Once you're logged in, head into Setup. This is the area where you manage system features, configuration options, and admin level settings, so it's where you'll make this change. After Setup loads, look for the Quick Find search box, which is usually located on the left-hand side of the Setup page. This search field is the fastest way to locate a setting without having to manually browse through menus. In the Quick Find box, type Salesforce to Salesforce Settings. As you type, matching setup options should appear, and you'll want to select the Salesforce to Salesforce Settings option from the results. When that page opens, find the Edit button and click it. This will allow you to make changes to the current setting. If you don't see the option to edit, make sure you have the appropriate administrative permissions in Salesforce, since some setup changes require elevated access. On the edit screen, look for the checkbox labeled Enable Salesforce to Salesforce. Check that box to turn the feature on. Enabling this setting allows your organization to use the Salesforce to Salesforce functionality, which is designed to support data sharing connections between Salesforce organizations. This is an important first step if you plan to set up collaboration or share records across connected Salesforce environments. Once the box is checked, click Save. After saving, Salesforce will open the Data Sharing Connection Framework Tools panel globally. This confirms that the feature has been enabled and that the related tools are now available for use. As a quick tip, after enabling this feature, it's a good idea to review the available connection and sharing options in the Framework Tools panel so you understand what's now accessible in your org. Even though the activation itself is simple, the tools that become available can affect how data is shared and managed between organizations, so it's worth taking a moment to verify everything looks correct. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Salesforce to Salesforce from setup in just a few clicks.